pregnancy contents are the in thing now. Okay, so if you're ready to be getting pregnant every month, if you know that your content is not interesting, you don't have any buzzwords to show us on this street, you are not ready to travel all over the world at least twice or once a month, then do not start a YouTube channel. Hello, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. For my new subscribers here, you're highly welcome. My name is Jessica. I am a wife and a mom of 4 kids, 2 boys and 2 girls, and we are based here in Italy. To my old and returning subscribers, you all are amazing. Thank you guys so much for all your love and your support on this channel. I don't even know why I'm speaking like this, but hey, I'm such in a good and not so good mood. But this video has to be done or has to be made. Now, this video is for my dear upcoming content creators, more especially. But even if you are an OG on this street, sit down, relax. You will still hear something that may concern you, okay? Now, I'm going to be talking about why most of us are probably not getting enough views as we desire or as we merit, so to say. You guys know how I have always been coming on this channel complaining about low views, how I'm no longer getting views as I used to. I used to get like a reasonable amount of views, not up there, like not so high views, not so low. It's just there. And that's when I was still under 100,000 subscribers. Even when I hit 100,000 subscribers, I was still getting, you know, kind of a reasonable amount of views. And then even before COVID happened, I started noticing that the views weren't coming as they used to, but they were still manageable, you know. At least when I look at the views, I compare it to my subscriber count, then I know that, okay, it's not that bad, so bad. And then after COVID happened, it got worse. Like, I was then wondering, what exactly is going on? What am I doing wrong? But I noticed that one of the things that happened to me is see finish. And when I say see finish, I mean like people have seen me finish. I don't even know how to explain it. Like people now know from the thumbnail, whenever I upload a video, from the thumbnail of that video, they kind of know, okay, this is what this video is going to be talking about, or they kind of anticipate what the video will be showcasing. I don't know. I hope you guys are understanding my point. Not like my vlogs or my contents in general are that boring or so bad that people no longer find them interesting to watch. And also, I think YouTube algorithm also contributed to that as well. Now, why I said earlier on in this video that if you don't have any interesting content to put out there, you don't have any buzzwords, you know. Buzzwords is when people come on here, they will be fighting with their partner, they will be fighting with their fellow content creator. You can see that a lot on Facebook. Go on Facebook and see how people, like, it's like, my goodness, it's not even that bad here on YouTube. Go on Facebook and see how people quarrel with their fellow content creator. That's what I mean by gbas. Now, if you're not ready to be traveling all over the world at least twice or once a month, then forget about it. Okay? Just don't start a YouTube channel. Basically, don't even try to open up a YouTube channel and then you start thinking that anything you put out there, everybody will watch. No, it doesn't work that way anymore. Gone are the days when you can just put out anything you like and people will just rush and watch and they keep coming back to watch. No, not anymore. These days, you will have to put in the effort. You will have to sweat. You will have to keep late nights. You will have to do the gbas. You will have to travel all the time. You will have to be showing us new houses every month. Like you will be building houses. You might be wondering which one is showing us new houses every month. Let me not forget to mention, pregnancy contents are the in thing now, okay? So if you're ready to be getting pregnant every month, do people get pregnant every month? But basically, you understand what I mean, right? If you're ready to be getting pregnant every month, or at least once a year, then come on YouTube, we'll go there watch you. And again, relocation vlogs. Yes, if you are ready to be relocating every year, every month, every day, every week, then come and be doing YouTube videos, okay? Because you can see that these days, people that put out house content like probably house hunting, new house tour, and all those house related contents, those are the type of contents that do so well here on YouTube. You can tell, right? Now, people that are doing relocation vlogs, you can also tell that those are the type of videos that do so well. People are currently relocating. Every year, people relocate from one country to the other. They get massive views. Go and check people that did UK relocation vlog, Canada relocation vlog, relocation prep vlog. Let's go to the market to shop for my relocation. All those type of content, they get so many views. When you see someone upload such type of videos that I had already mentioned, the way people rush down to watch the videos, some of them even break their legs while running. Some also break their fingers while rushing down to the comment section to leave either a congratulatory message comment or to leave their opinions, basically. The way people rush down to such videos to watch, come and see engagement. But unlike us, who are stay-at-home moms based in abroad, obodo oyibo, we no get help. We no come get many places to go, no many occasions to attend. Unlike people in Nigeria, every Saturday there is always a wedding to attend. There is always an occasion to attend. There is always a place to visit. Like, you cannot compare it to people here, living here abroad, doing it all by themselves. Some of us even do 9-to-5 job. Some of us do shifting jobs, and they do all of that, come back and still take care of their families. And some of them probably started up a YouTube channel as a hobby or maybe as a side hustle, because you and I know that social media these days pays, right? You can't compare us here to people back home. Most of them have the help. Their parents are around. They can easily leave their children and go wherever they want to go. But here, if your child is not up to 18 years, you cannot leave that child and go nowhere. You must go with your child. Even if you have an appointment, you must go with that child. If anywhere you are going, basically, you will have to go with your child. So we are always, someone like me, let me just speak for myself. I'm always indoors. I hardly go out. first of all, I'm an introvert, but I'm willing to change. I'm ready to drop that introvertial lifestyle, if that makes sense. I'm willing to drop it behind and move forward and go out there to do something. But do you know my problem? Language barrier. Here in Italy, they don't speak English, okay? And I don't even know how to speak the Italian very well. I cannot communicate with an Italian person or in the Italian language. So I can't really go out there to make friends. It is very challenging here to do it all by yourself. I can't go out to create content, very interesting and fun content that I would have loved to if I were to be staying in Nigeria, because I'm a Nigerian. So there are so much more I would have done if I were to be in Nigeria right now. Like, I can do a lot, but here I can't. I'm always indoors creating my indoor vlogs. Sometimes I go to pick my kids from school. So people kind of find it somehow boring to be watching such content because they are now used to it. So whenever I put it out there, I don't usually get views. Have you seen that? And so YouTube, seeing that, okay, people are no longer interested on this channel, people are no longer watching as much, they stopped, or they kind of reduced the amount of recommendations. I mean, like recommending my videos to people. You see why some of us are no longer getting views as we used to. Another thing is that a lot of people are now on YouTube. We used to shout then, come and join YouTube, come and join YouTube, come and join YouTube, come and join YouTube. Now, all those people that we invited to come and join us and shop the YouTube money, they are all now in YouTube or on YouTube. Is it in YouTube? It's on YouTube. They are all now on YouTube, doing their own thing, creating their own content, shopping their own money. So those people, they were the ones watching us then. Now they are now creating their own content, thereby reduced the amount of time they watch our own content. So you see why we know they get views anymore. You see why we are no longer getting views. You see, I have sat down and calculated, pondered, wondered in my thoughts that these could have all contributed to why the views are no longer coming. So if you are planning to open a YouTube channel, be ready to be giving us new content every time. If you are planning to come on here and start the regular lifestyle vlog, indoor vlogs, you will not be going out to show us a lot of flashy things, fancy stuff, a lot of interesting stuff. Please don't open up a YouTube channel. But if you're ready to be giving it to us as it is hot, if you're ready to be giving us buzzwords, like you don't mind bringing your partner on camera and fight. I don't even know why people love aproko so much more that they will be cooking. Once they see that this person has uploaded, they look at the thumbnail, it is where they are fighting or quarreling. They will lower their gas, run, and go and watch. But once they see that you uploaded tips on how to grow your YouTube channel, they will be like, some of them will put it on their playlist, watch later, and continue with what they are doing. But if it is buzzwords, some of them, their food go burn join. Maya Worona Hagara laid that video. If you don't understand Igbo language, ask people in the comment section to interpret that part, to translate it for you down there in the comment section. So all in all, what I'm trying to say is that yes, YouTube is a fun place to be. On YouTube, you can learn a lot. Like, you don't even want to know how much I have learned on YouTube which are very useful, helpful to me. Some things have also opened my eyes to understand how life works, although they used to say, believe whatever you see on social media at your own risk, which is true, but you can take your own decisions on what you want to see and what you don't want to see. And sometimes you can even see those things that you don't really want to see or you don't really need to see and learn from it. Like all those people that are bringing Wasbo's content, you watch the videos and learn from it. That's why I even click to watch such videos. So you make your own decision, what you want to see and what you don't want to see. And when you see those stuff, when you watch such videos, try to learn something. Another thing I want to say is, if you are an upcoming content creator, please try to give us high quality videos. Okay, make sure that your videos are very bright enough, you have a good audio, your editing skill is somewhat up there, not like up there but at least when people are watching your videos, even if the main content is not interesting, let the quality of your videos be interesting, let your audio be interesting, let your editing skills be interesting to people that they would want to come back to watch. Okay, that's another way you can survive here. If you know what you are doing on this platform, trust me, you will go far. You will go far. People will discover you. Brands will discover you. But if you're here just because you heard that YouTube pays, which of course YouTube pays, but if you're here for the money and you don't have good content to create, good content to put out there, then I'm sorry for you. Your name shall be sorry. Okay, plan it well, think about it, sleep over it, pray about it before you even think of opening a YouTube channel. That is if you haven't opened one yet. Okay, now with all this being said, I hope I have been able to convince and not confuse you. As an upcoming content creator, you have to use your IQ. You have to be wise. You have to go through a lot to come up with even content ideas. Sometimes we run out of ideas. Not that we don't know what to do, but sometimes you have done those things in the past, you know, so you will have to always think of new and interesting stuff to put out there. So if you have something good to showcase, YouTube is a space for you to be. You can make cool money here. You can meet new friends, new and amazing friends. I have met wonderful people here on YouTube that some of them now are like a sister to me. So here you can make cool friends, amazing friends. You can even meet your long lost old friend, school friend. You can get brand opportunities, like brands reaching out to you to sponsor their products. You can meet so many amazing opportunities. So if you're still thinking of opening a YouTube channel, go ahead and do that. But please make sure you know what you're coming here to do. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you've learned a thing or two from this video. Please kindly click that like button down below. Hit the subscribe button as well. Trust me guys, you don't pay anything to subscribe. All right, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Until I come your way next time, remain blessed. Bye guys.